terms of news, we got 2 bullish news and 1 bearish. The most bullish one is the SEC final rulings on multiple spot XRP ETFs due in October. This means that they need to decide, of course, but there's going to be definitely a lot of expectations, and with that, traders are going to speculate, enter in big longs on futures. We already see big large orders coming in on CryptoQuant. XRP bulls eyes at $3 at ETF flows and Vanguard U-turn lift sentiment. This is part of the same news 2 days ago again. And the bearish ones is that XRP faces another 10% dip. When will the bulls step in? So for that, I want to go into the liquidity pools, okay? And you can see that this flag was breaking out on the daily, put a double top, came back and put a new low at 2.67 relative to 2.69. That's a lower low with the wick, and it couldn't manage to take neither 1, 2, 3 or 4th. We got 4 levels of red right below the price. You can see how homogeneous is this area in here. Definitely heavy. On the upside, there are some levels as high or even higher here at 3.67, pointing towards if we get some upside, we can go for those levels and hit the $4 mark, as I was pointing out, as a more conservative target relative to $5. But we got in here this legacy liquidity that we need to deal with, and it has increased pretty significantly because longs started entering on the double top. The liquidity starts from there, and as it comes back down, more and more longs enter, getting bullish. So at the moment, there is a decent risk that we go and pierce levels like 2.6 or even into 2.4. Yeah, there is more liquidity on the lower end, but that really destroys pretty much everything on XRP in my opinion. I'm talking about 1.7 and 1.8.